Well, it ain't gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be better than it
No,
was.
exactly.
You know, we had some deep ones here and here where your jacket hit, but
yeah. That wax will help.
yeah, wax, polishing compound, all that will make it way better than it was.
Yep. Dude, that looks much better.
That was the thing. I wanted to get it as good a base as we could before we hit it with the polishing.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, I just anal retention about this shit.
Yeah.
You know, once I start something, it's gotta be right.
It's pretty good.
That's what is it, 4 o'clock? We got time.
Yeah, we got time. Yep. Right on the button 4.
This is, I mean,
That's deep as fuck.
we would have, you'd have to get it re-cleared to get these out, but
Yeah.
that was my main concern, is everything else around where it was fucked looked pretty good. So we got the polish on the one other side, and then the next step, the next project will be polishing the frame, because the frame's painted too, so. Which we'll do probably never, because fuck that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get that thing soaked. Cool. That's why, with the polishy stuff, I like to get it. Damn, awesome. There we go. I like to get it as wet as possible.
Yep.
Because you can go as long as you want. Just smear it around. I got some here.
Oh.
That's good. Yeah, that's plenty of water. Once it gets about as dry as you want to hit it with more water.
Yeah.
With this stuff, you're pretty much gone about as far as you're going to get with it.
Yeah.
On top of the finished coats of wax. Yeah, just like a quick shine me up if you got anything.
Whew.
Like, you know, I use it to get bugs and stuff off from grime.
And that cloth is
Super fine reusable microfiber.
Damn, that's shiny as fuck.
Yeah, here's hoping that the tail comes out, the tank comes out as good as the.
Yep.
And I mean, you know, the finish isn't totally perfect on the sides. You can tell it's a little dull, but the wax kind of helps blend it in a bit. Black's hard to get shiny. This side's better. We could always just, we wanted to try it again to cut into this side a little bit more. What we could do is just take the dish soap, just clean this side of the tank, mark it off with tape, buff it down, you know, get a real drop cloth and tape shit off, and we'll just go back over and cut, polish, and then re-wax and blend it in again, and done deal. But my big concern was up here where it was really rough, and that turned out pretty good. So
came out much better.
And this side's nice and shiny. This side, it's good. It's not great. You can tell it's a little duller, but you know.
That's good enough for now.
And there's one spot right up here that I couldn't get to with the buffer, but the only way to get that is to take the tank off. So.